Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel or new in this class, please subscribe and be part of this class. And for my subscribers and those who have been watching my videos, thank you very much for always coming along. In today's lesson, we are going to construct a circumscribed circle to a triangle. How to construct circumscribed circle to a triangle. So we are going to construct a triangle ABC with AB to be 70 millimeters, AC 58 millimeters, and BC 77 millimeters. And after drawing the triangle, then we will circumscribe this triangle. So if you don't know how to construct a triangle, please check on my channel. I have a lesson and it will help you a lot. So the triangle have the size AB 70 millimeters, AC 58 millimeters, and BC to be 77 millimeters. So this means this triangle is a scalene triangle. It have different sizes. If all the three sizes are equal, then the triangle will be an equilateral triangle. But this AB 70, AC 58, and BC 77 millimeters. That's a scalene triangle. So we first draw our triangle. So the first side of AB is 70 millimeters. So we will draw our 70 millimeters. Our 70 millimeters. So we have side AB. So we have AB to be 70 millimeters. Then it says AC is 58 millimeters. So after drawing AB, which is 70 millimeters, then you take your compass, then you measure 58 millimeters. So we have 58 millimeters. So it says AC. So at point A, you draw an arc. Then BC is 77 millimeters. So with your compass, you measure 77 millimeters. So at point B, you draw another arc. So we have point C here. So with your set square or your rule, you draw a straight line from here to A. Then from C here to B. So we have our triangle now. So we have our triangle ABC. So AB is 70 millimeters. AC is 58 millimeters, and BC is 77 millimeters. And we are going to circumscribe this triangle. So in this method, we are going to bisect two sides of the triangle. We are going to bisect two lines, either AB and BC, or AC and AB. So with your compass at point A, Open your compass, you draw an arc. You draw an arc. With the same radius at point B. And you draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Then we are going to bisect BC. So at point B, open your compass to any radius, you draw an arc. At point C, you draw another arc. Then with your set square or your rule, you draw another straight line through this intersection. So we have the meeting point of these two lines. That is here. So at the meeting point or the intersection point of these two lines, it's going to be the center. So at that point, you open your compass, then you draw so we have our circumscribed circle. So it's very simple. You first draw your line AB, which is 70 millimeters. Then with your compass for AC, which is 58 millimeters, with your compass you measure 58 millimeters at point A. Then you draw an arc. And to get BC, which is 77 millimeters at point B, you open your compass to the radius 77 millimeters. So at point B, then you draw an arc. The intersection will give you point C. So at point C, you draw a line to A and another line from C to B to get the triangle. And to construct the circumscribed circle, you need to bisect two lines of these of this triangle. So at point A, you open your compass to any radius, you draw an arc. Then at point B, you draw another arc, then you draw a line. Then at point C, you open your compass to any radius, you draw another arc. At point B, you draw another arc. Then you draw another straight line. The intersection will give you the point to put your compass on the point. So let's aim this point to be, that is ABC, that is point D. So at point D, you open your compass to one side like this, to this end, then you draw your circle to get the circumscribed circle. So it's very simple, and I hope you can do it. So take your drawing board, your drawing instruments, and try this. AB 70mm AC58 and BC 77mm. Thank you very much for coming to the class. If you are new here, please subscribe and be part of this class. And please share this video or this lesson to your friends, your mates, and let's keep on drawing. Without drawing, there will be nothing on this planet Earth. Thank you very much for coming. I will see you in my next class. Thank you. Bye.